also going to talk about a Theraband footrest. So this is kind of what Theraband looks like, and I believe this is extra heavy. I'd recommend the stronger resistance for what we're going to show you guys today, which is using it as a footrest. So the stronger resistant ones are great footrests because you can put your feet on them and kind of bounce them as you're sitting on a chair. Mm-hmm. Now you've got an example for us.
Yeah, so here it is on the chair. It's tied to both sides. And so then if you sit, you can bounce your feet up and down. Again, kids love it, families love it. It's a really great solution for the chair.
Yeah, it can really help kids feel more grounded if their feet don't touch the floor, as well as they're getting some movement, some deep pressure input through their feet, and it can be something that's super helpful in increasing attention when sitting in a chair.